Everyone wants their home to be stylish, while also reflecting those who inhabit it. One way to add some individuality to your living space is by integrating live edge wood slabs with your current decor. These stunning, one-of-a-kind pieces can be incorporated in a variety of ways. Live edge wood slabs use a process that maintains and showcases the natural edge of the tree after it is cut. This look may be trending today, but its history dates back hundreds of centuries. Since live edge pieces are derived from trees, each slab is one of a kind and will have its own story to tell in its grain, knots and burrs. They come in a variety of woods, sizes, colors and price points. You should choose the one that speaks most to you. By displaying these wonders, you are introducing a piece of true art into your home. Live edge slabs bring a natural, organic feel to wherever they are situated. When you walk into a room that contains one, your eye is immediately drawn there. This is especially true when the item is large, such as a dining or coffee table, counter or kitchen island. The rustic appearance and beauty of the wood is hard to resist. One way to connect our inner selves with the great outdoors is by incorporating a piece of nature into your living space. Many studies have shown that by doing so, we increase our connectivity with the environment, and this in turn reduces our stress and anxiety. Using these slabs for the top of your coffee or dining table makes the piece feel alive, as opposed to a dead, such as those derived from man-made materials. Live edge slabs have a dual purpose. In addition to their visual appeal, they are also highly functional and durable. Air dry each piece of wood for at least a year and then kiln fire it before further refinishing. If you aren't ready to bring a large piece into your home, begin with a smaller item such as a shelf, cutting board or trivet. Using a cutting board made of such wood under your hands while chopping vegetables feels entirely different and inherently more pleasing than when you are preparing a meal on plastic. Thinking of owning a live edge walnut dining table? If that's a yes, you are in for some awesome benefits associated with these gorgeous pieces of furniture. While there are many manufacturers in the trade, finding reputable wood mills with first-rate products requires some deliberate digging. In any cases, if you have not yet made up your mind about getting a piece of natural furniture for your dining room, perhaps this article will help you with that. Thanks for watching. Until next time.